Well, here it is, the end of February. We've had a couple of months of snow, ice, freezing rain, ice storms, power outages, the works. All the mountain bike trails have been closed, rail trails have been soggy, but today we've had a little bit of rain this morning, so I'm going to ride down here at the High Bridge Trail. It starts right back behind me there, and I'm going to try to get a ride in this will be my only ride in February, I guess, but hopefully it'll be a little bit drier, and it's supposed to rain again this evening and tomorrow, so we'll see you on the trail here. Hello.
Hi.
Come on left. Thank you. This is a different section for me to ride. It's going kind of west out of Farmville, maybe a little bit north of west, but he goes for several miles. I probably won't ride all of it. I'll probably ride out about 8 or 9 miles and then ride back. Just kind of check it out. One day when Lauren is down here, we'll probably ride this way. The reason I'm going this way today is until May of this year, the High Bridge is being repaired. So it's shut down, you can't cross it. But here's a trailhead right here with parking I didn't know about. I like parking down in town because you're close to all the coffee shops and everything. So after I do this, I'm gonna go get me a coffee at Uptown Coffee. Here we're crossing the road coming into Farmville. Hello. Oh, a big long section here, and this area actually looks a little shadier than the trail going east of here towards the bridge. It's more open down that way, so in the summertime it gets very hot. I feel like I've got a little uphill grade right through here and a little headwind. So now I don't know which road this is that I'm going under, but we're about 3.5 miles out of Farmville right now. So that may be 460, I think. They've timbered all that area over there, clear cut it all. I can hear frogs already. And last week we were in the teens, and now the frogs are out. Hello, how y'all doing?
Doing great. Come on, guys.
Where am I now? Hard Times Road. Well, I've ridden about a little over 6 miles out of Farmville, and I've come to Hard Times Road, and we're at Route 648. Not quite for certain where I'm at. We're gonna have to look at it on a map. There's an old house, looks like, over there. It's been abandoned on that farm there. So I see, almost looks like I see some picnic tables and stuff down that way. That must be behind that house. There's a house down there. So this is going to be the end of my ride going this way. I want to go back to Farmville now. This way is a little bit boring compared to going towards the bridge. So I don't know what's on past here, but I'll find out later this year with Lori. We'll come down here and do some riding. So we'll look at seeing you on the next trip. Hopefully in the next couple 3 weeks we'll dry up a little bit and get to do some mountain bike trails and have some fun on those. I want to get back down to Pocahontas this year. I didn't make it last year with all the COVID and everything, and so hopefully things will work out.